Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you want to practice English, but you don't have anyone to talk to?
That's one of the biggest problems learners tell us. They say, I don't live in an English-speaking country. I don't have foreign friends. Who can I practice with?
The answer might surprise you. You can practice with yourself. Yes, talking to yourself in English is one of the best methods to improve quickly.
And it's completely free. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. You just need your voice, your imagination, and a little courage.
Some learners feel shy about this. They think, talking to myself? That sounds crazy. But believe me, it works.
In fact, many successful language learners use this technique every day. It builds fluency, confidence, and automatic thinking in English.
So today, we'll show you how to learn English by talking to yourself. We'll explain why it's effective, give you simple ways to start, and share tips to keep it fun.
By the end, you'll realize you don't need to wait for a partner to improve. You can practice anywhere, anytime.
Let's start with the why. Why does talking to yourself help? First, it gives you practice forming sentences out loud. When you only study silently, your brain knows the words, but your mouth doesn't.
Exactly. Talking to yourself trains your tongue and mouth to move faster. It makes English feel natural, not forced.
Second, it removes pressure. With another person, you might feel nervous, but with yourself, there's no judgment. You can make mistakes freely.
Third, it builds the habit of thinking in English. When you talk to yourself, you're not translating, you're producing. That's fluency training.
Now let's talk about how. The simplest way is narrating your day. For example, when you wake up, say, I'm brushing my teeth now. I'm making coffee. I'm checking my phone.
You can do this silently in your head or out loud if you're alone. It doesn't matter. The point is you're describing your life in English.
Another method, practice small conversations. Pretend you're at a restaurant. Say, hello, could I have a sandwich, please? Thank you very much. Then switch roles and answer yourself. Sure, here you go.
It may feel funny, but it's powerful. You're training common phrases so they come out automatically.
You can also ask yourself questions. What am I going to do today? Then answer, I'm going to study English. After that, I'll cook dinner.
Questions and answers build rhythm. They make your English flow like real conversation.
Here's another idea. Practice different emotions. Don't just say sentences in a flat voice. Try happy, sad, excited, surprised. For example, really? That's amazing. Or, oh no, I'm late.
This gives you confidence to express feelings naturally, not like a robot.
And you can also shadow yourself. Record your voice, then play it back and repeat it, correcting little mistakes. It's like being your own teacher.
If you want more structure, choose a topic each day. One day, talk about your hobbies. Another day, talk about your weekend plans. Another day, describe your favorite movie.
You don't need long speeches. Even 2 or 3 sentences are enough. The key is consistency.
And here's a tip. Don't worry if your vocabulary is limited. Use the words you know. If you forget a word, describe it. For example, instead of scissors, say the thing for cutting paper.
That's still communication. You'll be surprised how quickly your brain adapts.
Some learners say, but I feel silly talking alone. My advice, make it fun. Pretend you're giving a speech or hosting a show or talking to a pet. Play with it.
Yes, talk to your mirror like you're a news reporter. Say, good evening. Today the weather is sunny and I had rice for lunch. Why not? It's fun practice.
You can also combine this with listening practice. Watch a short video, then pause and repeat the idea in your own words. That way, you train both listening and speaking.
Another benefit of self-talk is building speed. When you practice daily, Your sentences come faster and smoother. That's the fluency muscle growing.
And it also reduces fear. If you've already practiced saying, "Excuse me, where is the station?" 10 times at home, when you really need it, it will come out naturally.
Exactly. Practice alone, use it outside. That's the bridge.
Let's give some quick examples of sentences you can practice by yourself. I'm hungry. I need food. I'm tired. I want to sleep. I am happy. I passed my exam.
Or, I'm going shopping today. I'll meet my friend later. I'm watching a movie tonight. These are small, but they build confidence.
You can also practice reactions. Someone says, "I got a new job." You say, "That's great." Someone says, "I'm sick." You say, "Oh no, I'm sorry."
These short phrases are everyday English. Self-talk helps you repeat them until they feel natural.
And don't forget, talking to yourself in English also trains your listening, because when you speak, you hear yourself. The more you hear, the more natural it feels.
Let's recap. Why talk to yourself? It builds fluency, removes pressure, and helps you think in English. How to do it? Narrate your day, practice conversations, ask and answer questions, use emotions, record yourself, choose topics, and keep it fun.
And the golden rule: consistency is more important than perfection. 1 minute a day is better than nothing. Over weeks and months, that 1 minute grows into real fluency.
So if you don't have a partner, don't worry. You already have the best practice partner, you.
Exactly. Your own voice can take you further than you think.
Now, it's your turn. In the comments, write one sentence you will say to yourself in English today.
And don't forget to subscribe for more real-life English tips you can use right away.
Daniel?
And Sophie. See you next time.